Hi guys, so this is now the sound check for the mic of the Redmi Buds 3 Pro. So sound check testing, this is directly from the Buds, unfiltered sound check. Okay, now tell me what you think. And by the way, as I may forget, in the review video, this thing right here has active noise cancellation. All right, so sound check. This is the mic test. Mic test. Redmi Buds 3 Pro. Sound check. Sound check. Yes, you're hearing the mic straight from the device connected on the PC, unfiltered. Now let's get back to the main video.